dealing with tomorrow, but also the potential at some strong to severe thunderstorms as well. It is May in East Texas, so it's fairly common for this time of year. We've got our own share of storms near Lake Livingston in Trinity County. A few lightning strikes here or there, but the rain, it continues to fizzle out a little bit as it moves further off to the east. But if you're in Trinity or Houston County, this is what we could see tonight. Maybe a strong storm or two. Further off to the north, the severe weather threat not as great, but we are still seeing a few showers over southern Smith County, and these are just of the garden variety. They're very light. They're not severe. It is the kind of rain we want to see at this time of the year. But as we look at live Viper radar further to the west, we have many severe thunderstorm warnings in West Texas and in eastern New Mexico. To the south of San Angelo there, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning, but these have mainly been hailers and strong wind producers. But here in East Texas, we have not seen any severe weather today. It is a cool night. We are in the 50s and 60s. Jacksonville's at 61. It's 63 in Gilmer. Mount Pleasant's at 62. But as we look at Futurecast, we're going to continue to see a few bubble up showers and thunderstorms throughout the course of the night. But as I mentioned before, the severe weather threat is going to be very low with these temperatures holding steady. Now, as we move into early tomorrow morning, we will start to see more storms come to fruition further out to the west. Not a ton going on in our region with the exception of the storms we're seeing in our northern counties, but those should just be of the garden variety. But as it heats up throughout the day, our severe weather threat could increase. But until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, there's only one place I'm going to be watching: Houston, Trinity County, for the threat of strong wind gust. And again, that marginal risk I just pointed out, that is the lowest level of severe weather threat that the SPC categorizes. Now, as we look at live Viper radar, this time we are going to start it at 7 o'clock on Futurecast. This is one of our forecast models, not going to be exact, but it does give us a good idea of what we will be seeing. Pause at 9. A few scattered showers and thunderstorms along the Trinity River. Those will push off to the east, and as they do, they will continue to usher in some stronger storms. But as you can see, we may very well see some fairly intense storms in our southeastern counties as these storms move through. We could see multiple rounds of rain moving from west to east. This is 5 o'clock in the evening. Plan for rain for both the morning commute and the evening commute. And then these scattered showers and thunderstorms, they'll be pushing out to the east, and then we do get a bit of a break Wednesday morning. This is a slight risk of severe weather, but there are a couple of things that are working into forecast uncertainty, meaning where does this boundary set up? So this is a warm front that's going to be advancing to the northward. If it stalls in deep East Texas, we probably don't see a lot of severe weather. But if it stalls further to the north, areas to the south of this boundary, we'll see severe thunderstorms. But if this stalls further off to the north, more of the area could see severe thunderstorms. If you're to the north of the boundary, expect heavy rain, possible flash flooding, and some strong storms. And we will see quite a bit of rain. 2 to 4 inches possible for deep East Texas, 1 to 3 to the north of Interstate 20. Excessive rainfall outlook for Tuesday. We could see a moderate risk of flash flooding. That does include most of East Texas, and that is a level 3 on a scale of 1 to 4. As we look at the next 7 days, as I've mentioned in multiple newscasts today, we do have a 100% chance of rain, which means I think everybody sees the rain. You can call me out if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure all of you will see the rain tomorrow. Wednesday, Thursday, a few isolated showers. Temperatures will be in the upper 70s and lower 80s. We get a break this weekend with some very nice weather. Isaac, Casey.